The basics of personal finance, a beginner's guide. Understanding your finances is more than just making ends meet. It's about making smart decisions today that will help shape your financial future. This guide aims to provide beginners with a basic understanding of personal finance. We will walk you through budgeting, building an emergency fund, managing debt, saving for retirement, the basics of investing, and the importance of financial literacy. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Understanding the importance of personal finance. When it comes to your financial health, personal finance is the beating heart. It's the umbrella term that covers all your money-related activities: earning, spending, saving, and investing. Its importance is vital and far-reaching, influencing your present and shaping your future. With solid personal finance practices, you're not just scraping by, you're thriving. You're equipped to cater to your daily needs, while simultaneously marching steadily towards your long-term dreams. Be it a serene house by the beach, launching your very own startup, or simply enjoying a carefree retirement, good personal finance practices pave the way. Not just that, it's your shield against the unknown. It empowers you to face financial adversities head-on and navigate through life's unexpected turns. But how does it achieve all this? By enabling informed decisions that dodge common money traps and maximize financial gains. Creating a personal budget. Budgeting can feel like you're embarking on a tough journey, but consider it an adventure. It's all about charting out a clear path towards your financial goals. It begins by gathering the most critical tools for the journey. A detailed list of your income sources and monthly expenses. Here's the fun part. Categorize your expenses into 3 buckets: needs, wants, and savings. Needs cover essential living costs like rent and groceries, while wants could include that occasional splurge on a fancy dinner or designer shoes. Savings, as the name implies, go towards building your financial future. This categorization can feel like playing a detective in your financial life. You might unearth areas where spending could be tightened, thereby diverting more funds towards savings. This isn't about starving your present for the future. Rather, it's about creating a healthy balance between enjoying today and ensuring a secure tomorrow. Some might view a budget as a leash, constraining and restricting. However, in reality, it's quite the opposite. Think of it more like a GPS for your finances. It helps you avoid unnecessary detours and stay on the right path towards financial wellness. Making a budget might seem daunting at first, but don't fret. Like any other skill, it gets easier with practice. Your first few budgets may not be perfect, but that's okay. The goal is to get started and keep refining your approach as you gain a better understanding of your financial landscape. Building an emergency fund. Picture your emergency fund as your financial superhero, swooping in to save the day when unexpected costs try to knock you off your financial course. From sudden car breakdowns to unexpected medical bills, or even a surprise job loss, life can throw curveballs. That's where your emergency fund steps in, offering a financial shield to weather these storms. While the concept of an emergency fund might be simple, the impact is profound. This fund is designed to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, offering you a cushion of security. However, the process of building it doesn't have to be daunting. Instead, start small, steadily contributing to this fund over time. Think of it like building a tower, 1 block at a time. Each contribution, no matter how small, strengthens your financial foundation. Slow and steady wins the race here, allowing you to avoid the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. This steady build-up not only boosts your financial security, but also brings peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for life's unexpected twists and turns. But the benefits of an emergency fund go beyond immediate financial security. It also grants you the freedom to make wiser, less stress-driven financial decisions. Rather than being forced into a corner by sudden expenses, you can confidently navigate these situations, thanks to your financial superhero. Understanding and managing debt. In the realm of personal finance, debt is often perceived as a formidable enemy. Yet, when harnessed effectively, it can be a powerful ally driving you towards your financial goals. How, you ask? By funding big-ticket purchases like a home or education that could otherwise remain unattainable. But here's the catch. Debt, like fire, can be beneficial or destructive, depending on how it's managed. Imagine debt as a double-edged sword. On one edge, it can boost your financial prowess, but on the other, it can trap you in a cycle of endless repayments. The key then is to wield this sword skillfully. Start by familiarizing yourself with the details of your existing debts. What types are they? Credit cards, student loans, mortgages. What are their interest rates and how do they compare? What are the terms of repayment? Don't let late payments sneak up on you and tarnish your credit score. Set reminders, automate payments, do whatever it takes to stay ahead of the curve. And when it comes to tackling multiple debts, consider the avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first. This not only reduces the amount you pay in the long run, but also accelerates your journey towards becoming debt-free. Saving for retirement. Imagine this, you're basking in the golden glow of the sun, sitting on your porch, sipping your favorite coffee with the sweet melody of life playing all around you. Sounds like a dream retirement scenario, right? Now let's take a step back and think about how you get there. The key to that blissful retirement is starting to save and starting early. Retirement might seem like a distant reality when you're young, but that's precisely the reason why you should start saving now. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. The sooner you start, the longer runway you have for your savings to take off and grow. And remember, it's not just about the amount you save, but also about the time you give your money to multiply. One of the best ways to kickstart your retirement savings is through retirement accounts like a 401 or an individual retirement account (IRA). These aren't just fancy acronyms, they are powerful tools that can catapult your savings to new heights. They come with various tax advantages that help your money grow more efficiently over time. However, saving for retirement isn't a one-size-fits-all affair. Your perfect retirement plan should be as unique as you are. It should account for your current income, projected retirement age, lifestyle aspirations, and risk tolerance. Creating such a tailored plan might seem overwhelming, but that's where professional help can be invaluable. Understanding the basics of investing. Dive into the exciting world of investing. It's like planting a seed today and watching it grow into a money tree tomorrow. Investing involves strategically placing your money into assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds with an expectation of reaping profitable returns over time. It's an integral component of personal finance that can turn your savings into an income-generating powerhouse. Before plunging into the investment pool, take a moment to understand your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Are you a thrill seeker willing to take high risks for potentially higher rewards? Or do you prefer the safer lanes, content with steady but slower growth? Remember, no risk, no reward, but also the higher the risk, the steeper can be the downfall. So don't let the thrill of high returns lure you into the deep end without a safety float. Investment isn't a game of solo players. Diversity is its best friend. It means spreading your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk and possibly amplify your returns. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. This way, even if one basket tips over, one investment performs poorly, the eggs in other baskets, other investments, can still be safe and sound. The investing journey is less of a sprint and more of a marathon. It's not about making quick money overnight, but growing your wealth steadily over time. As you embark on this journey, pack patience and discipline in your financial toolkit. Markets will fluctuate, but remember, investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time the market. It's about riding the highs and weathering the lows, all with a steadfast focus on your long-term financial goals. Importance of financial literacy. Think of financial literacy as your secret weapon in the financial arena. It's the foundation upon which you can build a healthy financial life, making smart decisions about your money. Financial literacy equips you with skills ranging from managing your personal finances, mastering the art of budgeting, to navigating the intriguing world of investing. It's about understanding money, how to make it, manage it, invest it, and even give it away. Being financially literate empowers you to become the CEO of your own financial world. It illuminates the path towards financial independence, helping you escape the vicious cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. With this newfound knowledge, you can confidently stride past common financial pitfalls and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Imagine you're at a crossroads. One path leads to a debt-ridden life, while the other opens up to a horizon of financial wellness. Financial literacy is the compass that guides you towards the latter, helping you avoid expensive mistakes. It's not just about filling your mind with information, but about arming yourself with the right tools to make informed decisions. So, are you ready to unleash the power of financial literacy and claim your seat at the financial table? Your journey towards financial freedom starts with understanding your money. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. equipping you with the knowledge to make sound financial decisions today and always. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.